Elinkinga agoduke mefuna ukugoduka.
Abangazi mina ngingasancenga. Mehambele uhambile. Mehlela uhlelo.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Usne Mseleku and Ubaba Mseleku. Good trailer. We saw Usne and Ubaba Kebagu date, and I think Umusa was venting. So njengoba bekaventa bekatshela uSne ngabafazi bakhe nokuthi khona bafuna ukuhamba. uSne wabe sekaphawula etshela ubabakhe ukuthi if ever khona ofuna ukuhamba akahambi bangakustress. So my point here is that Usne shouldn't have said that. Bomela abuze ubabakhe ukuthi okay manje what's your way out? Or abuze nje into engalungisa umndeni, because kusasa guys uyothi umusa ekuphila talk nabafazi bakhe kuthiwe Usne usile, Usne ufuna ukuhlanganisa umndeni, Usne. So I think Usne should have known i-boundary yakhe ukuthi like uphelelaphi, because nomusa kusasa ikhala lakhe imali ngapherish kuyothiwa wena Sne washo nase-TV ukuthi abahambayo bangakustress. Angajika umusa, we all know umusa guys. And when things are bad, Usne runs to the same people at Babahambi. Umusa abesekamjikela. The same people are at Abahambi. Bona labafazi laba at Abahambi, Usne ugijimela kubo. I understand Usne kusasa ngaba successful, abe right, but then angamoshikhala kababakhe because kubhlungu guys kuloko sibhizi sibona Usne bamkhuluma kabi, bambhekela phansi and all. It's because of inkulumo zakhe. And one person said, let me see, Sne has been so interesting to watch over the years. There's no character development. It's the same movie over and over again. I saw the trailer and she's still twirling for her father at the expense of the same woman she always runs to. So you see, uzama ukuncenga ubabakhe, uzama ukuba kuside elihle la kababakhe, macedile kusasa agijimele kulabafazi laba abakhuluma kabi kubabakhe. That's why ngithi uyothi umuzi kaMseleku ubhidlika kuthiwe Usne obhidlizile. Usne uma beka-advise ubaba lokhu nalokhu nalokhu. So it was best for Usne nje ukuthi avele abuze ubabakhe ama-question instead ukuthi amtshele ukuthi abahambe abantu. Indaba zomjolo guys azingenwa. Indaba zomuntu abayi-2 zisala nawe. Usne zihlezi zisala ngaye. So guys, let's hope uzofunda ku-next season, I think. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.